you read the title, another clothing haul and review video from Fioboc. The lovely people out at Fioboc have sent me another package once again, just in time for the summer to review. And this time, it's mostly gonna be like summer clothes, like t-shirts. And apparently these t-shirts are called the Stay Cool t-shirts. The thing that's really unique about these tees is that they're like a blend of different fabrics like cotton and bamboo in order to make this really cool type of texture. So we're gonna be trying them on. I got a variety of colors that they have, and they have a variety of sizes as well, all the way from small to 5XL, as well as different neck styles, different curves and fits. So honestly, there's gonna be a variety of clothes I'm gonna be trying on, and I'll let you guys know how I feel about the quality of these. But first, we got this great Stay Cool t-shirt. And first impression, I get why they call these Stay Cool, because first touch, this feels very cool. I'm not gonna lie, like it feels like it might keep me very chill in the summertime, like on a hot day. This feels like the perfect type of. Also, another key point for these shirts is that they come in different styles and different colors, like neckways and stuff. So this one is just a regular crew neck tee. I really like the curve at the bottom as well right here, and honestly this is a really solid tee. I believe I got this in a medium and it just fits me perfectly, so this is pretty dope in my opinion. Let's move on to the next tee. Okay, moving on to the next t-shirt, we've got this V-neck t-shirt here, and if you know me, you know I'm not a big fan of V-neck shirts, but I just figured I'd try this out for this white tee, and honestly I was not disappointed at all. Like, this is a very cool V-neck. Like, it doesn't do the traditional V-necks thing where it leaves your whole chest area showing and stuff. This is a very cool design. Even though it is a V-shaped design, it's still very like slick and like comfortable. Like, it's compact. Like, it also has the curved hem at this side as well. So honestly, this is a pretty cool tee, not gonna lie. And another thing I noticed about this tee, it's really stretchy as well. Like, no matter how much I stretch it, it just pops back into place. Like, you see that? Like, it's crazy stretchy. So it's a very cool touch to it and a very cool feel to it. So honestly, the fabric and texture game is on point so far. So let's go ahead and try another one now. Moving on to the next tee, we got this pink Stay Cool t-shirt as well. I got this in a large just to try different sizes, even though I got the other ones in a medium. Just got a large just to see how it would fit, and honestly this is a pretty cool fit as well. That's something I like about Fioboc, is that they have different sizes. I believe they have from like extra small all the way to like extra large, so it's a very good variety of styles and sizes. And this one also has a curved hem, which I really like. Honestly, I'm in love with this curved hem design. It just makes the t-shirt look a bit more cool and like unique to it, rather than just a boxy regular, you know, cut. So this is pretty cool. And then again, very cool touch, stretchy. It feels like very good quality. So I'm not gonna lie, this is another banger for me. Let's go ahead and try on the next one. Okay, moving on to the next tee, we got this blue Stay Cool t-shirt as well in large. And as you can tell by now, they do have a lot of variety of colors, and I've tried pretty much 4 different colors so far, and you can tell they're all like really good looking. Regardless of the color you pick, it's gonna come out really clean. Like, you can tell like you can barely see any wrinkles. Like, this is a very good quality t-shirt, not gonna lie. Like, Fioboc has set me up for the summer, not gonna lie. I'm set when it comes to t-shirts for my wardrobe. So big shout out to Fioboc once again for these t-shirts. And we're gonna move on to the next t-shirt, because I believe we have a few more items in this clothing haul. Let's go. Okay, now moving on to the final shirt that we got. This one is really clean. This one, you can tell, is a bit different from the other ones because it actually has a collar. This time it's a button-up type of shirt, but honestly the feeling is pretty much the same. Like, it's a very cool and nice texture. Does not feel like it will make me hot at all. So this one might just be an essential for the summertime, not gonna lie. I got this one in black, and then honestly it looks pretty clean. There's probably other colors as well that you can try, and honestly most of these so far 10 out of 10, no lies. Like, these are very cool t-shirts, especially for the summer. Like, I can't stress enough how good these will be this summertime. Like, it feels like I could just wear this in the hottest weather out there and I'll be cool, I'll be chilling. Like, I won't have to worry about sweating too much. So these look pretty decent. Now we got one more item. I believe we got one more pair of jeans, so we're gonna pair it with these shirt and we're gonna see how it comes out. Let's go ahead and try that on. Okay, now finally moving on to these jeans. I got some blue jeans from Fioboc, and these are like their stretch jeans, I believe, and honestly very, very, very true to their names. These pants are pretty clean, not gonna lie. They stretch really well, as you can tell. Okay, so that's all the clothes in this clothing haul. I've really enjoyed trying these so far, and honestly, no lies, these are gonna be 100% going into my wardrobe for this summer. And because of the different colors that I got as well, these are gonna be a huge essentials for the summer. I can pair them with an infinite amount of outfits. So huge shout out to Fioboc one more time, because they pretty much set me up for the summertime with the different colors and the quality fabric. So I'm definitely gonna be wearing these summer, guys. So if you guys like what you see so far, you can definitely check out Fioboc. Link down below in my description box. You can also get a discount code using Excellency20. So huge shout out to Fioboc for providing us with that huge discount. So that's gonna be all for the video, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this, because I really enjoyed trying on these clothes from Fioboc. Huge shout out to them for sending out this package, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.